Okay, so this is very quick introduction about myself. So my name is Pramod and I have around 24 years of IT experience. I'm an engineering postgraduate from IIT and I have worked in four different companies, Citigroup, Honeywell, Polycom, and Carrier Technologies. And I left career as a agile coach 1.5 year back. Right hand side, you can see all kind of a certification from Scrum, Agile coaching, and advanced Agile certification, safe, and all kind of certifications. These are my some of my safe certifications, and these are some of Agile advanced certifications. And the work currently I'm doing to help people to get Scrum Master jobs, right? The two things which is really close to my heart for doing this one is one, there are many IT professionals are underpaid. Agree?
Yes.
And I really wanted to support people to get job. The another thing is there are people who left the job for whatever the reason and they wanted to get back to IT and they are finding some difficulty. These are the two things which is really close to my heart for doing what I'm doing. And there is a course which I have designed for 3 full day course, which is happening on 27 September, 27, 28, 29 on this month, 3 days course, which is from afternoon 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. just to support our Europe and US clients as well. And this is 3 full day program where I'm going to cover the basics of Scrum and Agile, and where I'll cover, all Agile theory topics which can come in the interviews, and role of a Scrum Master, safe related PA planning, iteration execution, innovation and planning execution, etc. Let me just give you little more details about it. In the day one, where we look at the basics in Scrum and Agile, I look at it, what is Scrum Master role in and how can be a confident Scrum Master, future of Scrum Master role, salary expectation, how to get a Scrum Master job, and basic Agile development concepts and Scrum basics, and all Agile theory topics. Now, I will also teach you how to remember the answer and how to answer, etc. And also how to present the answers to the interviewers. Next one, moving on to the in the Agile theory topics, and what I'm going to cover it. These are all how to remember and how to give it. Agile manifesto, Scrum values and pillars, 12 Agile principles, Scrum and Kanban safe, all the kind of differences, examples, Agile team in a safe and safe values, safe configurations, epic features and stories, and features, story writing, enabler stories, Tuckman stages of team development, risk impediments, issues, dependencies, agile estimations, poker planning exercise, and capacity, load, velocity, all of the things, how to remember, how to answer the questions. All these theories will be covered, most of the interview questions. Then coming to the role of a Scrum Master, where I look at it detailed about the characteristics of a Scrum Master, how to build high-performing teams, how to conduct team events, how to coach agile team goes in power questions. And here we will do a coaching practice also. Like every one of the people will be doing one-to-one coaching with some other person, collaborate with others, resolve team conflicts. Moving on to the next one about safe PA planning, the PA planning basics, PA planning visualizations, create draft PA plans, final plans and business value, final plan review and PA objectives, and facilitate PA planning. And then sprint execution or iteration execution, we look at it detailed about sprint planning or planning the iteration and tracking the iteration progress, refining the backlog, facilitating the iteration review, and facilitate relentless improvement or sprint retrospective, or supporting DevOps and release on demand. And then finishing PA, the last chapter would be coaching the IP iteration, preparing the team for inspect and adapt event, problem solving workshop, safe completion certification, exam orientations, and any question and answers, and that closure. See, this is three full days of training program, right? So happening on September 27, 28, 29, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. What we'll cover in summary is 27 hours of expert training, 3 days of training, um, and like cover all interview focus. This is completely for interview focus. Like every theory I teach you what kind of interview question comes up and how to do that one, right? And recovering all the safe methodology, and included all real-time examples, and many people from non-IT I will give you real life examples where you can relate to it and remember it. Breakout rooms for interview question answer practices, optional safe Scrum Master. If anybody want to do safe Scrum Master certification, we can do that also. Detailed visualization of all Scrum events and PA planning, etc. Okay, so the program value, let me just to do, it's around 23,000 rupees for the session, and probably interview question answer like maybe 5,000 rupees, And value for material 5,000, out clarification total, it can be charged up to 38,000 rupees, but I'm giving you very very deep discounted price, which is just 5,900 rupees for 3 full day course, which is coming less than 2,000 rupees per day, right? And also if you are taking from the safe training, that's a different thing altogether. And when you are taking the safe also, that is an additional cost coming into picture, then you want safe certification. But otherwise, if you are taking the training on the 3 days of full test training alone, it comes to 5,900. Any questions so far?